What happened, sir?
It's not building up pressure on the brakes, so we're backing up to turn around, and it stopped building up pressure, so now we can't move it. Can't even put it in neutral or anything.
Oh, okay.
Just been stuck there.
So you guys are gonna take that trash truck over there?
I don't know what the plan is.
Oh,
I'm guessing that's what's gonna happen.
well, we're here to help you guys.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
No pressure? Not much.